Hey guys, here we are at Snell's farm in Buxton, Maine, and we're gonna do some apple picking today. First time coming here. These guys look like Macintosh or Cortland. Look at all the apples in here, guys.
Nice.
This tree is full.
Snow White. So what's the white one?
Max. Different varieties of apples. These are mostly. Guys, from what I can see so far, most of this are Macintosh. So look at all the apples on the ground too. Where we can find the Honeycrisp. That's the one we want.
But it's empty. See?
They like that one, yeah, see?
No, gone.
Yeah, it's mostly Max from what I can see. Hey guys, I was looking for some Honeycrisp because they have some in here, but unfortunately I think we might have come a little too late in the season. So right now I don't see any at all on the trees. In fact, most of the apples we're seeing are Macintosh. As you can see right there. These are all Max. Or most of it are Max. I haven't seen any Cortlands. But we'll keep going because there are more down this way. We paid. There's the Honeycrisp. Yeah, Cortland is good too. Yeah, guys, looks like we're out of luck as far as Honeycrisp go. I don't see any more. Let's see, what is the yellow ones? Oh, Northern Spice. Okay. Northern Spice. Oh, yeah, we'll grab a few of the Northern Spice. They're not gonna be all red, so that's how Northern Spice are. Okay guys, the Northern Spice are actually good too. So far we've seen Macintosh, Macoons, Northern Spice. So there are more Macoons right down here. Okay guys, so here's another variety that they have. I don't know if I can get that good shot at it because it's facing the sun. It's called Crispin Matsu. And they're actually green apples. Just want to know what the crispin matzo is like. I don't even know if they're supposed to be green or not, but I'm gonna grab a couple. Crispin matzo. Yeah, Empire is sweet. Uh-huh. We have Cortland's. Hey guys, got Cortland right here. I don't see too many fruits left in the Cortland though. Here you go guys, Empire apple.
What's the pink one?
Empire. So they have a nice variety here. Nice big apple orchard. We pretty much filled up our bag. It's $20 worth. Let's see what else they have down here. See, look at all the apples. So guys, as you can see, the trees are pretty low, so it's easy to pick. It's easy to pick them. Reminds me a lot of the orange groves down in Florida. There are also short trees, small trees like this that you can pick the oranges from. But this is what we got. It's a full bag like this, and it's 20 bucks for this. They have a different size one that's worth, what was it, $30?
Yeah.
Another one larger than this was 30 bucks. But just put as much as you can into the bag. They're not gonna weigh it. It's whatever you can put in here. It's yours. For 20 bucks, it's just not bad. You know, you go to the supermarket and you're gonna pay a lot more than $20 for these things. And the best part is you can mix and match. Doesn't have to be one variety of apple. You can mix them all up. And again, I think their season's winding down, and there just don't seem to be that many people around here anymore. So I think from when I called them, they said that the apple picking season's gonna end pretty much at the end of this month of October. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
There's one of the varieties, guys. It's Macintosh. Yeah, it's like Cortland's. They have Golden Delicious. But I didn't see any today, so. So they even have a King David variety of apples. I'll be honest, I was a produce manager, but I do not remember ever seeing this variety of apples. At least we didn't sell it at our store. That's interesting. It's called King David. It almost looked like exactly. No, it almost looked exactly like a Macintosh. A wealthy variety. Don't know what that is, but it's another variety that we have here. And here's another variety, guys. It's Stark. I guess it's mostly for cooking and you can eat it. But again, all these apples, they all look so much alike. Unfortunately, our bag's already full, so we can't really pick that much more.